Hello guys, welcome back to Cocktail Kitchen. How are you, Sara?
I'm good, thank you.
Good? We're making some cocktails and this drink will be with whiskey. So we have some strength. We put whiskey in a really nice spot in which we boost up all the sweet floral notes. It's a twist on a classic cocktail. It's called Morning Glory Fizz. So we'll use whiskey, which is Sexton. This is an Irish whiskey, it's triple distilled. It's aged only in sherry oak. We'll mix it with some lemon and some egg white in a tall glass, and then we just top it up with soda.
Nice.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
Okay. You have a nice 3-piece shaker. I have a 2-piece shaker. So first of all, we take the lemons, and then we press them like this. I have one, you have one. Watch your fingers. We call this the Mexican elbow.
Mexican elbow?
Yeah, it's a lime presser when you make margaritas, but it will work great for squeezing lemons too.
Oi.
But you see, we work very hard to make cocktails. So when you go in bars,
I should tip you.
yes,
A lot.
yes. The next thing is we'll get some egg white. This is your egg.
Thank you.
So we just lay the ingredients. So we have the lime juice and then the egg white. So what I do, I just crack them open and then strain the whites out.
Ah, I took a
Nice.
break.
Ah, it's good. We start with whiskey.
Okay.
So we'll put a nice 40 ml. So it's a whiskey-based drink, and then we have Benedictine. It's a nice French liqueur, and we put only 10 ml. Normally, Morning Glory Fizz will have absinthe, but this is a bit more mellow, a bit more soft.
Sounds pretty good.
So we put 20 ml of our freshly squeezed lemon juice inside. Alright, just 10 ml of the egg white. Wait. Do the same until the first line. Nice. So we have whiskey, liqueur, lemon juice. We put just a dash of sugar. So just like a dash there.
Are you trusting me with this?
Yeah. That's it. Now what we want from the egg white is the protein to emulsify. So we need to beat that egg white really hard. So we need to have a really strong shake. So I close my shaker like this. Yeah. Close the second part. Good. Yeah. Close the last part. Okay. And then I just need to shake it hard. Good. I think we're okay now. How does it feel? Is it cold? Yeah. Like a splash, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So I'm just gonna open this one.
Yeah. And then you just put it inside. I use the strainer. Okay. Nice. See, you have a bit of creaminess there. Yeah. And then just put a bit more.
Ooh, it looks good.
See?
Not plastic, I hope.
No. Bamboo sauce. Fancy, huh? I garnish with a bit of dried apple. It's very nice, huh?
Ooh, looks good.
Very nice and creamy. Cheers.
Cheers.
You like it?
I love it.
Yeah, it's very refreshing.
Yeah.
It has the strength of the whiskey, but
I love the herb flavors.
Those herbs, a bit of honey. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks, guys. This is the Morning Glory Fizz. Thank you, Sara.
Thank you, Valentin.